Okay, so syllable internship data science, this book and this page. Okay, so what we're discussing is bias and variance. The first thing is bias and second thing is variance. So imagine linear regression. Okay, if you're imagining linear regression, just look at it. Okay, if uh, if the linear regression line is like this, okay, and the results are above the line, okay, the results are above the line, then this is biased on the upper side, right? Similarly, if there is another linear regression and the results are all below, this is also biased on the lower side, right? This is clear. So bias is just the systematic shift, right? And is the error caused by oversimplification? Yeah. So if why oversimplification? Imagine if the data points were like this and the line went as a curve, then there was no shift either upside or downside, no systematic shift. So the bias is low now. Getting? That's why it is simply an oversimplification as well, because here line was just straight. It was a simple solution but incorrect. But here if you see, the line is not that simple, but it is the correct solution. Okay, so that is there. And then again, what is that? Variance. Okay, second thing, variance, right? Variance is basically overall prediction around the actual truth. So let's say there is this line in linear regression again, and data point here, and sorry, the result here and a result here. Okay, this shows -2, this shows +2, and this shows -2. So what would happen if these are the only two results? If you calculate the bias, this is +2 and this is -2, they would cancel out and it would result to zero bias. So bias is 0, but if you calculate the variance would square out these values. The 2 would be squared and -2 would also be squared, 4, and this would together would create some result that would not be 0, obviously, because both of them are positive integers, right? So variance is present, variance is not equal to 0, but even though bias is 0, variance is not equal to 0, right? So that is there. So how much overall prediction around the actual truth? So how much predictions are around the truth? This, if